All right, so this is video number 3. And again, I'm trying to do these videos in between lessons and between things that I'm doing here. So that's why sometimes I look exhausted or tired. And then right now the sun is going down. It is around 5 o'clock. Around this time, it's like around dinner. So I have some time to try to make some of these videos. As well, the sun is going down. So that's why I got the sun in my eyes with all these videos that you see. All right, so number 1, number 2, video number 3. This is your notebook. This is like let's see, something like this, like your notebook where you have all your writings saved. So let me just show you where it's at. Just gotta put something here. This is your notebook here. It says archive. I have to relabel these, but archive is your notebook. When you every time you click this in any of the applications that has this option, when you click that, it's going to get saved here to your notebook. So I go here, and for these demonstrations, I've been doing the writing pad. So that's why you see here it says free writing pad. That's the application. So in the bold, this is the application where it came from. Over here, you see this one, AI editor. So that's where this came from the AI editor application. New note. So you could actually make your own notes if you like. You could just close this. Here, just add a note. Let's see. So here you can make your notes. You could copy and paste from your from your writings here. Whatever you want to do, it's just the option. You could create your own notes. And these are the folders here. It gives you the option for markdown download. And so let me just demonstrate this for you. Let's see, free writing. So let me use this one. So here, this is some writing I did from another day. And so I saved it here so I could copy and paste this. It will save me time. And I'm going to use this in other applications. I'll copy this. So I select it, right click and copy. And for me, this is what I use it for, is just to copy and paste into other applications. And I'll demonstrate. So this is just your notebook. And I'm going to go to this AI editor here. So I'm an AI editor. I could actually just combine these together, the notebook and AI editor. So I'm going to go to text, the text box here, and I'm going to paste what I copied from my notebook. There's a mistake here, spelling. So right here, there's some other functions here as well. All right, so I just have a sentence here. Let me just read this. This was from an article that I read in Inc. magazine, and I just wrote what it was about. The article talked about speeding up the process of failure to achieve one's goals faster. In relation to business, if learning from mistakes is crucial and beneficial, why not speed up the process? So, what you want to do is whatever you put here, you want it to be your main idea, so that way you could expand. I use this for vocabulary. So, you want to be able to expand your main ideas into vocabulary, maybe new vocabulary you never knew about. So let me see here. Okay, so I'm just going to hit expand. Down here it says expand. So it expanded, as you could see here. It expanded my text that I had here. This was my main idea, and now it expanded it here. And it didn't just expand for no reason. It didn't just fill space. It down here it tells you why it expanded and how it expanded. So there's a purpose. It's not just random words here. And usually this here, this expanded version, it's C level, C1, maybe C2 level. And there's going to be a lot of vocabulary in here depending how much you write. That might be new to you. So what you want to do is you want to read this, and then you want to select 4 words. You could select more, but at least select 4 words that are new to you or difficult to you in pronunciation, or you're not too sure about, like paradoxical. I'll double click that, and when you double click, usually anywhere in this application, if you double click a word, it should give you the option to save it to your vocabulary. I don't see it here, but over here, for example, paradoxal, I'm going to double click this word, and you can see here it gives me the option add to my words. It's going to add this to your vocabulary. So I'm going to select that. So after I read this, I'm going to select 4 words that were difficult for me. Let's see here. I'll just choose these, add to my vocabulary, streamlining. Let's see. Squander. All right. Sometimes, as you could see, the button is not near where you're double clicking at near the word. It's down here. I have to fix that. Let's see. All right, so I saved the words here. I'm trying to keep these videos like 10 minutes. Just keep them simple. Let's see. Okay, so I put my text here, which contained my main idea from wherever it was I was writing or talking about. And then I expand it over here, expand. And then I read this. I select vocabulary that's difficult for me, or there might be some vocabulary I know, but I just forgot about it. I never seen it used in this way. So I might just save it. I wanna remember those words so I could use it next time. So whatever you want, just this is kind of a good place to find vocabulary that's natural because it's expanding your main idea. These ain't just random vocabulary words that you may never use. These are vocabulary that are expressing your ideas on a C1 level. And again, anytime you see save, always save it. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to copy this. All right, so it's copied. And I'm going to go out of AI editor. Okay, so I explained the notebook in this video. I'm giving an overview, just a tour. AI editor, so that was the basics of AI editor. There's other functions and uses for this, but right now it's just an overview. And let's see, so in the next video I will go and explain this one here, speech, text to speech studio. It's almost 10 minutes. I'll explain this one, and then I'll explain the vocabulary builder over here. And this is my words where I showed you where your vocabulary gets saved. It gets saved here. This one here, it says problem words, and that's coming from another application regarding your pronunciation, American accent, actually, your American pronunciation. They're going to go here. There is some more um, areas here related to vocabulary. Every week or two, I'm trying to improve and add the new things, new features, more content into these areas over here, as well as the whole application. Let's see, so So let me just do this before I finish. I'm just going to paste in here what I copied from AI editor. So that way we could just start the video from here. All right, so I'll end it right here. And so in the next video, we'll pick up here. And again, just a reminder, let's see, this is my website where you could get the application if you like, if you want to do self-study. You could do lessons with me on Preply. Let me just show you real quick. There's a special offer here. So anytime I get any kind of special offers from Preply, I'll put them here. I'll update the links. So this is an updated link. Depending what country you're from, it's going to give you like a percentage off if you want to do lessons. And then over here, as I wrote, let's see real quick. If you want to join me on Preply and do lessons, these applications are free to you. Not just that, but I also customize and build applications that are for you, specifically for you. So I'm gonna show you some of those. So students, if they're in the medical field and they need to learn English, so they need to combine their medical field uh, position with learning English. So I usually what I do is I try to create an application that's going to be specific to them, to their specific needs. So that's what it's saying here. It's if you join me with Preply, you get these applications, everything that I built, you get for free, and I customize these applications specifically for you, for your English. So it's like one-on-one, but it's up to you. If you just want the application, you could just get it here. You could contact me here. And again, remember, a lot of what I created, people are repurposing it. So I have the source code. I own these applications. So these are just copies. Um, so be aware. That's the main reason why I'm pricing everything the way it is. And this is where you would pick it up. You just go here. And this is what I'm showing you right now. It's called First Floor. It's the workshop. Okay. And then eventually you're going to see all the other applications here, but the price is always going to be the same. Okay. All right. All right. Yes. Okay. So I'll start the next video. We left off here at which one was this? Text to Speech Studio.